Welcome to Citadel Watch. We present to your attention a wristwatch that you can buy from us. Porsche-designed wristwatches are elegant men's accessories that combine outstanding design and high-tech characteristics. Made from titanium, the watch case has a diameter of 40 millimeters, giving it a compact and stylish shape. Durable sapphire-coated glass provides reliable protection for the dial. The bracelet is also made of titanium, giving the watch lightness and strength. This wristwatch is designed for men and is made in Switzerland, guaranteeing the highest standard of quality and precision. The IWC mechanical self-winding movement ensures reliable and precise movement of the watch. The power reserve is more than a day without additional winding, which makes this watch a reliable companion in everyday life. Stylish and functional, this watch is also water-resistant to protect against accidental splashes. The watch is equipped with a variety of functions, including time, minutes, seconds, date, day of the week, and chronograph, making it not only a stylish accessory, but also a practical tool. The dial is in excellent condition, but signs of wear add character and history to the watch. This Porsche-designed wristwatch is not just a sophisticated accessory, but also a practical piece of watchmaking art that combines functionality and style. Have a nice day and happy shopping. Best wishes, your Citadel Watch.